Hi guys, welcome to As Simple as Possible. In this video, we will revise Chapter 6 of Advanced Performance Management, which is Performance Measurement, Systems, and Reports. We start with the first topic, which is MIS or Management Information System. It is a system that converts data into information because it breaks down the data into useful information and which it takes from internal and external sources and communicates this information to managers for effective decision making. The information that is given here helps to measure performance, helps in decision making, and helps to control business. Next is Enterprise Resource Planning System. Example DBMS, which is Database Management System. ERPS automates business processes. It is used in medium to large-sized enterprises. It helps to identify and plan resources. It helps to fulfill customer orders. Advantages: it supports performance measures. It provides data in real-time basis. It lowers costs. It is very flexible and it ensures efficiency of production. On the other hand, disadvantages are that it is costly. Here we said that the advantage, it lowers costs, it lowers the cost of the process, but installing itself is very costly. Installing and maintaining it. This is very time consuming and problem with one function can affect other functions. Say this has gone wrong, so this all gets affected because everything is linked together. Next we have lean info system. Firstly, what is lean information? Lean information is providing right info to the right people at the right time with minimum wastage. So the advantages of this is it helps to work in a collaborative manner, ensures zero wastage or minimum wastage, end user focus is ensured, it makes it easier to understand, in short it is simple. Next topic is 5S model. As the name suggests, this model has 5S, which is sort, simplify. The go-to word nowadays, which is sanitize. Next is standardize. And the last one is sustain. Sort out the information, simplify it, sanitize it, filter it out, prepare it in a standardized form, and sustain that form. So this is about the 5S model. This model helps to implement the lean information system. Next topic is design and use of management accounting system. The design, we know that it is influenced by environment that we are and the human behavior. Sources of information, internal, external. All of this is done for the reporting and process of data. Here there is an important topic, which is importance of context. Context of the information is important because data is very complex. So we have to find out the context of the data and work according to it. We need accurate data. We need a real-time data. There are different organizations and structures, and the nature of business also matters. So context of the information is decided on this basis. There are two developments in recording and processing systems in today's time. One is unified corporate database, and second is RFID. Now, what are these two? Unified Corporate Database ensures that same information is available to everybody in an organization. Its benefits are it integrates data from different functions. All departments share same information and data is available in real time and updated also in real time. RFID is the full form of RFID is radio frequency identification. It helps to keep track of assets. Suppose we have some livestock or some machine. RFID tag is attached here, which is small radio transmitter. It has to keep the real-time track of the items and it is widely used in supply chain management. Next is network technology. To understand, you can say technology that helps us in working from home. It uses cloud technology which helps in storing and managing data, helps in access to data and helps in collaboration. Next term is process automation. When we use digital technology in the normal processes that we have, it is said as process automation. Next is Internet of Things. Anything and everything that is connected to the internet is a part of Internet of Things. It refers to any physical object connected to and sharing data over the internet. This extends beyond wireless smart devices such as smartphones and computers to any device containing sensors with ability to track and upload data. It provides instant access to data. It helps in customer relationship management systems as well. In customer relationship management systems, there is qualitative data as well. Qualitative data is different from quantitative data because most of the times it is unstructured and it is also subjective. Next topic, and a very important topic, big data and data analytics. Big data is a large collection of data that are available to organizations to analyze. Gartner has defined big data as high volume, high variety, and high velocity. Data or information that demand cost-effective, innovative forms of information processing that enable enhanced insight, decision-making, and process automation. So these are the three characteristics of big data, which is volume, variety, and velocity. Volume makes it easier to identify trends. Velocity, the speed with which data is generated, captured, and analyzed. Variety, the number of different types of data to analyze. As we know, data is the new gold today. So big data is a very trendy topic nowadays. Big data analytics. It is a process of collecting, organizing, and analyzing large data sets. It includes two things: data mining and predictive analytics. As the word mining suggests, we are mining in a place where there are abundant resources and finding out something useful. Similarly, in data mining, what we do is we identify trends and patterns that we can see so that we can draw a graph or something like that so that we can analyze the data. When we use data mining technique to predict future, it is known as predictive data analytics. Data analytics is the process of collecting and examining data in order to extract meaningful business insights for informed decision making and for improving performance. Therefore, big data analytics could result in performance improvements in the following areas: better understanding of customer behavior, helps to plan or identify new products or services, helps to make targeted marketing messages and decision making. Risks to big data or challenges to big data. The data that we are selecting, it may not be a representative of entire population. The quality of the data must be relevant and reliable, which is hard to find. More volume does not always mean that decision making will be good. Sometimes we always also get confused. Veracity is important because we need to make reliable decisions and ensure strong governance on data quality. Analyzing big data is very expensive, and if there is a loss or theft of data, then there can also be a legal action. Next topic: big data and the role of management accountant. Data visualization. It is a presentation of data in a pictorial or graphical format which is easier for recipients to process than detailed written data. It improves clarity. It helps to manage large volumes of unstructured and structured data. It provides an interactive experience. Next is artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is systems that sense, comprehend, act, and analyze big data to solve problems for themselves. Applications of artificial intelligence. It helps in product development, like testing digital prototypes. It helps in manufacturing through robotic arms. It helps in delivery. Robots are used to transport goods within a warehouse. It helps in quality management by the prediction of maintenance requirement. It helps in data security by detecting malicious software. It helps to interact with customers, and it helps in reporting. Objective reporting of business performance, which is unbiased. But there are drawbacks to artificial intelligence. There is a sense of distrust amongst people. There are possibilities of system malfunctions. There is a possibility of misuse as well, and there are different data problems, not within a business but from a variety of media. Next topic is management reports. Issues when evaluating design of a performance report. So the issues that come up when designing a performance report, we have to see the strategic relevance of the report. If it is relevant to the mission as per the critical success factors, and if it is consistent. Audience, they want a sophisticated, detailed narrative explanations. As far as information is concerned, it can be financial, non-financial, if there are any distractions or distortions, if any. Potential issues when we quantify non-financial information. Next topic, potential issues when we quantify non-financial information. In case of a ranking system, we don't know when something is given a first rank and something is given a second rank, we don't know the difference that is existing between the two. When we give a percentage, there is no absolute value to judge. And the last one is graphical reports can be exaggerated or manipulated. Another issue while preparing a management report is layout. Layout must be such that the most important information must be shown. There must not be information overload. To deal with this, graphs can be used, tables can be used, and an appendix can be made to the main report to reduce the information workload of the report. There is a difference between evaluation of organizations' performance and performance reports evaluation. So we have to be little focused on what the question or what the statement is saying. Because when we are evaluating an organization's performance, that is a different thing. And when we are evaluating performance report, that is a different thing. Second point that we have to remember is integrated reporting. It is a concise communication about how an organization's strategy, governance, performance, and prospects lead to creation and enhancement of value over short, medium, and long term. It aims to explain an organization's ability to create and sustain value. It highlights the importance of long term sustainability. It helps to make a practical application of strategic management accounting. It helps to keep up the ethos of strategic management accounting and it helps in long term focus on creating and sustaining value. The last topic is report on 6 capitals. What are the 6 capitals? Financial, manufactured, human, intellectual, natural, and social. Financial capital, we see if the funds are available. Manufactured capital includes buildings, equipment. Human capital involves motivation, innovation. Intellectual capital involves patents, brands. Natural capital is the natural resources like water, land, etc. Social capital is the willingness to engage with stakeholders. Traditional annual reporting, we know that it focuses on financial performance only. So this is all about this chapter. This chapter is a fairly lengthy chapter. I hope you like the video. Please do comment, share and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.